Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mickayla here. I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe and join the family, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys smelling good on a budget, balling on a budget, getting on your grown and sexy scents. Okay, this video is sponsored by Dossier. Dossier is a company that reproduces classic, high-end and luxury perfumes for a fraction of the cost. So thank you so much to Dossier for sending me these products. What I love most about Dossier, guys, is that they have a risk-free system that allows customers to try out their perfumes before committing to them. Every bottle comes with a free sample that the customer can try out, wear it and make sure that they like it before unsealing the 50 milliliter bottle that is also inside of the box. So if they do decide to return the scent, you are allowed a standard 30-day return period, which by then you would have to send the product back to Dossier. Another amazing point about Dossier is that they have free returns and free exchange forever. So if you do not like a particular perfume and you want to return it, you can resend that package and you can exchange for the one that you would actually like to try out. So Dossier's perfumes are very affordable. They range from $29 to $49, guys. I don't know who really knows of perfumes that go for such affordable prices, guys. And as I said before, these perfumes are inspired by very luxury, high-end perfumes that you guys may know of. Some of them you might want to be trying, but you guys do not want to break the bank by investing in some of these perfumes, and Dossier is a great alternative. You can try inspired perfumes for a fraction of the cost. Dossier also offers great bulk deals with up to 25% off when you order 3 bottles or more, and you also receive free shipping. So Dossier is forever adding new scents to their collection because there are a lot of perfumes out there. So you guys should definitely check the link in the description box to check out Dossier and all the amazing perfumes that they have. Okay guys, so let's jump right into the perfume. So I will be showing you guys the perfumes that I received from Dossier and also my personal favorites that I own. So let's just jump right into the perfumes. Okay, so first things first, the first scent that I want to show you guys is Floriental Vanilla by Dossier. Guys, this perfume is inspired by the YSL Black Opium perfume, and listen to me, people. Okay, this perfume, guys, absolutely amazing. Absolutely. Listen, if you want to smell grown and sexy, this is the perfect perfume for you. Okay, so if you're going out, this gives me very much nighttime, and it can also go for daytime because it's very sweet and light and airy, but when that bass note kicks in, sis, gives me very much sexy grown woman vibes. Okay, I love this scent. Oh my god, guys, this smells so yummy, like you guys don't even understand. And I'm a girl, me love perfume, me love smell good. If you know me, you know that I love perfumes, and trust me, Dossier hit the nail on the head with this scent. Okay, so next I have Spicy Vanilla. So Spicy Vanilla is inspired by Tom Ford's Noir. This is actually a male perfume, or cologne, that is. But guys, trust me, if you have a boo thing and you want to get him something nice and you can't afford the Tom Ford Noir, you can definitely get Spicy Vanilla from Dossier and you will get the same exact high quality. This smells amazing. If a guy was wearing this and I was like at a restaurant or at a party or something and he was wearing this, child, this smells absolutely amazing, guys. So definitely cop this for a late Valentine's Day gift or even a birthday gift, or something, just to show your appreciation to your man. You can get this scent. Okay, Spicy Vanilla smells absolutely amazing, and you guys will see all the notes and the price for this particular scent. first things first, in my personal collection, I will be expanding my collection sooner or later, you know guys, but definitely stay tuned for that video where I show you guys the new perfumes that I have invested in. But the first one that I want to show you guys is the I don't know how to pronounce this, but Juice. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's the Juice. And this is a very affordable perfume, guys, and it smells absolutely amazing. This also is very musky and very sensual as well, but it's not very long lasting. You know, it's shaped like a juice box. It's really cute, but it's not very long lasting, guys, but it smells absolutely amazing. It gives me nighttime vibes as well, but it not gonna last throughout the night, you get me? So if you're on a date and you wear this, it might wear off a little bit, but not too much. But I absolutely love this scent, guys. It's very affordable. As I said, it gives me very much musky, sweet and sensual vibes. The next one that I have here is the Versace Yellow Diamond, guys. This perfume is very girly. I absolutely love this scent. It gives me like daytime vibes. You can wear this to like a brunch, or you know, something really cute where you're going out with your girls or whatever. You can even wear this as like a everyday perfume, but it's not really nighttime. I don't know, it's not really nighttime to me, but you can definitely wear it at nighttime because it's really strong. It's more on like the floral side, not necessarily sweet, but it also is sweet, you know. I don't know, is it sweet? No, it's more on the floral side, guys. It's not so much like sweet, because you know, sweet can kind of smell really sexy, but this smells very girly and airy, and just, not that I don't like those scents, but I'm definitely a sweet and musky kind of gal. But yeah, this is a very nice scent to have for daytime chic, you feel me? Next we have the In Full Bloom by Kate Spade. This is a next floral scent. Very floral, guys. Gives very much daytime, so if you're going to church, you can wear this scent. And you know, going to brunch or anything else like that, you can, going on a picnic, you know, just, it gives me very much so daytime scent. It's not like, or even a everyday perfume. It's not like something sexy to wear out on a date or anything like that. But if you're a person who likes floral scents overall, you can definitely rock this any time of the day. It's very long lasting as well as the Versace Yellow Diamond. It's very long lasting. But yeah, as I said, I wouldn't wear this in the night or anything to go on a date. I would definitely wear this to church, wear this to, you know, brunch or whatever. The next one I have here is Rebel by Rihanna. This scent is very strong, guys. Very long lasting as well. It gives me very much sweet and sexy vibes. It's very sweet, like candy type of vibe. It's not for everybody, child, okay, because it's very strong, and it's an acquired scent. So once you smell the top notes, it's the base note that got me. I love the base notes of this perfume. I don't really love the top notes, you know. Sometimes it just give me a very weird vibe, the top notes, but I like the base notes more on this perfume. Absolutely amazing, very long lasting as well. So definitely wear this on a date, you know, if I am trying to, you know, impress my boo thing or whatever. This is a really nice scent that you can wear during the night. So if you're going to a party, you're going on a date, as I said, you can wear this perfume. So last but absolutely not least, this is my absolute all-time favorite perfume in the whole entire world, okay, is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. People, you see the perfume here? You see, if you are trying to catch somebody, man, you can wear the perfume here. You see me? Guys, I don't know what this woman was thinking when she made this perfume, but listen, if you want to smell grown and sexy, if you want to be the center of attention in the room, you can wear this perfume. It is Guys, this perfume is so long lasting. You wash your clothes and it's still up on your clothes. Okay, that's how long lasting this perfume is. Even when you wash it, it still smell like good girl. Guys, this perfume is absolutely amazing. I would tell you guys to invest in this perfume. Dossier also has a inspired version of the Carolina Herrera perfume, so if you guys do not want to invest in the Carolina Herrera, you guys can try out Dossier. So if you guys do not have the money to invest in the Carolina Herrera perfume, you can try the Dossier Floriental Almond, and that is amazing, guys. From Dossier, it's very sweet and sexy as well, guys. As you guys can see, I love that in perfumes. That's the only thing I go for. I don't really love floral scents, but I will try them. But I absolutely love something really musky, sweet and sexy. You feel me? Yeah, that's the type of girl that I am. I love to smell grown and sexy. I really love the floral girly tea, you know. But yeah, guys, those are all the perfumes that I wanted to show you guys, and huge thank you to Dossier again for sending me these amazing perfumes. Absolutely love them. This obviously by far is my favorite because this one is a men's scent, but I absolutely love the female scent that I received. And guys, trust me, I'm definitely wearing this on my next date, okay? And don't forget to go in the description box, guys, and check out Dossier's website and try out some of their perfumes. Make sure to tell me if you do try them. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found some inspiration, you feel me, to go start your perfume collection. And Dossier, as I said, is a very good start if you don't want to break the bank. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the link in the bio to follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.